There he is.
Hi
Hey, Adam,
Hi, guys, how are you?
you're online now, sir. You have 3 minutes.
Perfect. All right, well, I just want to thank you for inviting me here today. Let me first, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Adam Harley. I'm the manager of Plumworks Incorporated. I've been in the plumbing industry for over 20 years, many of those years with LDR Industries. I actually developed a lot of the programs that are still in play and are still using today. Um, through LDR, including the LDR faucet, as well as the exquisite faucet and shower program. I worked with a lot of great people over there. Many years ago, I hired a guy named Nick Veenendahl, who I think a lot of you guys still know and work with. I also met my current partner, Gary Wu, who was at the time a supplier for LDR Industries. He has been a good partner to me for 20 years now. Together, myself and Gary, we have supplied through LDR and direct customers such as yourselves, DA, Lowe's, Menards, HD, Kmart, Walmart, many others. In 2017, we founded Plumwork Incorporated, which is our current company, with the focus of connecting directly to customers like yourselves, without the need of a distributor like an LDR or a Homeworks to be in the middle. We provide a full line of faucets from non-metallic to RV to hybrid to metal, even solid stainless steel. We warehouse out of Chicago. You can buy direct from our warehouse, or we can do direct import on our name or your name. The key element is we currently are producing out of Indonesia. Our facility in Indonesia is fully controlled. We have in-house plating, and we do all of our US product out of Indonesia. There's no duty, no tariff. And that's a key element that is just not available from other factories. We were lucky enough to meet Jeff at the Kitchen and Bath Show earlier this year in January. He had a chance to hear our story, see our product, touch and feel the actual samples, which unfortunately you guys aren't going to have a great opportunity to do this time. But after hearing that, he invited us, and we look forward to meeting.
Thank you so much, Adam. Very well done. And we are looking forward to seeing you in 2 weeks. We are very glad to have you as a new vendor. And next up, folks, is going to be the gentleman from Silver Micron Technology, which is going to be Ed DeRena and Barry Schwartz. I didn't see Barry, but if he's here, he'll be coming in. Ed is our rep here in the US base. Ed, are you in? There you go. Ed, you are actually muted right now, and now you're on. You've got 3 minutes, sir.
Okay, here we go. Well, thank you for your time this afternoon. I'm here to introduce to you a totally unique, revolutionary, and very timely product, which is our Silver Micron antimicrobial HVAC filter. This filter can inhibit the growth of over 800 common microbes on contact as air goes through the filter. This is a unique product, nothing else like it in the world, 100% US made, patented, and the way it works is it uses technology similar to what's in surgical masks. The MERV 11 substrate of the filter is infused with silver ions, which have a known antimicrobial effect. They're also infused with a nanocarbon, which is proprietary for odor control. As I mentioned, there's nothing like this in the world, and there's a lot of data to back up our claims. The pricing target is $29.98 for a shrink-wrapped 2-pack with a 4-color insert for shelf appeal and a magnet for the refrigerator to remind the consumer. Now, this price allows for 100% shared markup for the distributors and stores. We think this is a very competitive price because there's really nothing at all like it available. It will be available initially in the 5 most common filter sizes for homes. If you're wondering why you haven't heard of us before, it's because in addition to our patents, we've just received UL 900 approval, which is very important. And I've known Steve for the better part of a decade, and he and I feel that the Pro Group is a great place for our initial launch, and it will be an exclusive initial launch. We know that you service thousands of stores, and those stores service thousands of customers, hundreds of thousands. So that's very important to us. If you'd like more information on the filter before the VGMC, want to talk about it or business aspects, please let us know. Here is the filter. We can talk to you before the VGMC if you'd like, send you a filter, etc. And one final item, we have a sister product called the Zero G vacuum. Zero G stands for zero gravity. It's a floating, high quality, high performance canister vacuum that shares the technology of silver micron with the filter. So that's it for now. Look forward to hearing from all of you and seeing all of you at the VGMC or sooner. Thanks for your time and have a great day.
Ed and Barry, thank you so much for participating here. This is an exciting and, you're right, timely product with the silver micron and the antibacterial and viral aspects of your filter. And we will look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks. Guys, next up, we have long-awaited Taylor Greenwell from Thermalpan. I don't know if Taylor is in here yet, but Thermal, hey, there he, let's see, I believe he's here. Taylor, you are on, sir. You have 3 minutes.
Good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to start out with a brief explanation of who Thermo is. Thermo resulted in a series of ideas that the founder, Daryl Snyder, had while working as a HVAC contractor. His credentials as a sheet metal journeyman contributed to his ability to find solutions for long-standing HVAC problems. His first creation was the Thermalpan, a lightweight, sound-absorbing alternative to sheet metal ductwork for return air. In addition to the thermopanning, the company has created an entire family line of products to make installation easier and more professional looking. All of our products are designed to be simple, cost-saving, and functional. Currently, Thermo has over 400 different customers across the United States and Canada. 98% of them are HVAC and plumbing wholesalers. However, recently we started selling to hardware wholesalers as well as big retail chains. One of our most popular products is the snap clamp. It's a universal mounting bracket. It's installed with 2 screws. But once you install it, you never have to touch it again. It just pulls apart, just like that. It's kind of hard to see here. But I personally use those in my garage. I hang my gardening tools with them. I also put it on my workbench to hang my drill and my sander and all of that. One of the other and the most growing product that we have is the Rika nozzle. This is it fits on all standard twist top silicone tubes. What's really cool about this is the nozzle itself actually rotates 360 degrees. So it'll help you get into those really hard to reach spots. I mean, we are actually working on a counter display for that. I don't have any artwork right now that I can show you, but I'll have it by the GMC. Well, the last product that I wanted to talk about was our Max Bond. It's one of our popular sealants. It is an advanced polymer sealant. It has a unique formula that offers excellent adhesions to a wide range of industrial materials. The product is actually environmentally friendly too. It provides a watertight, or it's weatherable and has a paintable surface, and it allows for a reduced number of fasteners required. And a quick little note about the Max Bond. The amusement park Six Flags actually purchases the Max Bond. So if you guys would like any samples before the GMC, feel free to let me know.
Taylor, thank you so much for your waiting patiently, as well as your participation here today. We're looking forward to seeing you in 2 weeks at the GMC.
No problem. Look forward to it.
All right, guys. Next up, we have Todd and Tom with MD Building Products. I think we've got them coming online here. Gentlemen, you are muted, I believe. You have the floor, gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.
Right. Can everybody hear me okay?
Yep.
All right. Fantastic. Well, thank you everybody for joining here. I'm going to share my screen here. Let's do that. All right. Is that good? Everybody can see that just fine?
Yes, sir.
All right. Fantastic. So first off, thank you everybody. We're going to spend a few minutes here with the Pro Group. My name's Tom Creighton. I'm the Vice President of Sales and joined by my colleague here, Todd Stocks, our Director of Sales.
Hello, everyone.
And we will spend a few minutes talking about MD. There's a small number of Pro customers that are already MD customers as well. So members that are customers as well. And we're excited to go over our history and kind of who we are. And so MD, we're excited to say in July is celebrating 100 years as an organization. We were originally founded with a problem of closing a space underneath a door there, and that launched us into our first category and the creation of weatherization as we know it, and that kind of drove us into making a lot of products and evolving into who we really are, and that is what we consider ourselves to be, and that is a domestic manufacturer. We like to say we make things, and so with that being said, having that kind of control, we sell probably closer to 95% of all the stuff we sell, we make either here in Oklahoma City or one of the other 6 facilities in North America. And what that allows us to do is to really control that supply chain, really evaluate our quality, and also assist our partners in inventory turns, which has become so much more important for all of our customers as time's gone by. One of those things in terms of our abilities to have a large net when it comes to manufacturing capabilities. Everything from, as you can see here, we extrude about 30 million pounds of aluminum a year, sublimation, we do wet paint, some neat stuff like powder coating, as well as assembly of digital levels right down the street here in our clean room down here in Oklahoma City. We do like to say is first and foremost as a partner, our focus is always to really grow sales and to focus on driving that number. When you get customers in the aisle there at all the dealers and everybody that the Pro Group is supporting and all the members, one of the things that MD has done very differently last 7 or 10 years as an organization is it's pivoted pretty hard into investing into consumer insights and really understanding of our products, what's going to be best fit for the specific customers at that specific location, within that specific region of people that are walking into those dealers. And so understanding what those customers' challenges are when they have a problem to fix, that also drives our innovation at MD. We like to, we come out with a lot of new products every single year that also feeds that innovation pipeline, but really not wanting to sell everybody 1,000 products, but more specifically understanding the right mix for the right group of folks coming into those stores there. And also, what is that in-store experience too, where some stores like a lot of POP or digital marketing, that sort of collateral. However, the consumer and the partners of Pro Group like to digest that information, we can do that whether throughout that digital omni-channel. All right.
So we're going to speed it up a little bit for you guys here as we get towards the end of the time here. As Tom said, we make things and we have lots of stuff that we can talk about, but we're not going to get into this really huge list here, but just wanted to touch on a couple things. Weather stripping and thresholds, floor transitions, we are the industry leader. We manufacture all that product. Some of our brands over to the right there, you'll see Smart Tool Tower Sealants is our caulking division.
There you go. Hang on, there you go, sir.
And then just a couple things there, just showing some of our product lines. What product line we just entered recently, of course, was personal protection products. You'll see, so we make a shield, we make a foot door pull and hand sanitizer. Flip it again, Tom. And then, of course, our Prova shower systems, which is an underlayment for tile and also waterproofing shower products. We recently also, in the last year, we've entered the screen market. screen and accessories. And of course, we've always been in the caulk business. And so we own Tower Sealants in Gainesville, Georgia. That's our caulk and sealant line.
And that's gonna wrap it up for our MD introduction here. I want to say thank you to everybody for giving us a few minutes here to go over it. And we really look forward to meeting the rest of the pro group here over the next virtual meetings over the next couple of weeks. And have a great rest of your day.
Awesome. Thanks, Tom. Todd,
Thanks a
appreciate
lot,
the time,
Al.
gentlemen. We'll see you here in a couple of weeks.
You got it. Looking forward to it.
Awesome. All right, guys. So up next, we have Richelieu Products. They are actually not here today, but Brooke did the courtesy of recording a little video here for us. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, get that video pulled up, and hopefully you'll be able to hear and see everything properly.
We are actually a very large vendor. We have over 110,000 products and 80,000 customers. We are definitely a North American leader. Richelieu was founded in 1968, and as you can see from our timeline, we've done quite a bit since we were founded. We had our initial entry into the U.S. in 1999. We have 66 DCs across the U.S. and Canada as of 2015, and in 2018 we exceeded $1 billion in sales, and that was also our 50-year anniversary. In Canada, we have 42 locations, as well as 40 in the U.S. In the U.S., our retail distribution center is in Chicago, Illinois. As I mentioned, we have a very large portfolio of brands, and so we've actually distributed the different categories across a few different sub-brands. Richelieu is our decorative and functional hardware. Onward is our builder's hardware brand. Nystrom is decorative hooks and bath accessories. Reliable is our fasteners and accessories, as well as steel shapes. Sedan is our wood veneer and edge banding. Matco is our floor care products, and Micron is our power tool accessories, clamping, rope, and chain. Our Richelieu decorative and functional hardware is a very large offering with over 5,000 products available for resale in the U.S. It's cabinet hardware with quite a few different finishes, as well as functional. We have over 1,000 products, which includes our slides, our catches and latches, and our hinges. We also do very well with displays. It's one of the things that differentiates Richelieu. We've got LED lighting for our displays, graphic signage, slides and demos. It really makes it a destination in the aisle for the customer. Our Onward Builders hardware has over 4,500 products available for U.S. retail, including finishing, sliding door, garage door, rope and chain, and much more. We also partner with innovative vendors in the industry, including Phantom, which makes a doorstop that's actually inserted into the floor, so it reduces the trip hazard. It's a really unique product. Kuhu is a garage storage solution product. It really makes it a versatile tool. You can wrap it around things, and it's actually made of recycled tires, so it's a green product as well. Hangman is another innovative vendor that we partner with. That's all the different hangings. It's got a lot of really great solutions as far as leveling, anti-tip, etc. And again, with Onward Builders hardware, we really try and make it a destination in the aisle. We make it very easy for customers to shop. They can see the product right on the front of bins that we're hanging, and you can see all of our different categories, including that finishing, construction, sliding door, wire, garage door, storage, outdoor, hooks and hangers, and even some basic decorative work. Reliable fasteners, as I mentioned, is our fasteners, screws, and things like that, as well as our steel shapes. So that includes threaded and channeled rods and metal sheets in multiple different metal materials. And one thing that really differentiates us, again, here is the display. So we have a very nice display that comes with the product. It's metal, very heavy, and it makes it really easy for the customer to shop the product. We also have quite a few new innovations in our fastening systems, including our new Power Drive SCR, which is really optimized for a stronger assembly. It really grabs pieces of wood, pulls them together. So innovation is definitely something that we put a lot of thought into. Matco is our floor protection brand. So that includes not only felt, but also casters and wheels. There's over 700 products available for retail in the US in the Matco brand. And we also have our EcoFilTech products that are made from 100% recycled fibers. We do very well with merchandising Matco also. Not only do we have innovative planograms that make it very easy for the customer to shop and see which types of products they're looking for, whether it's anti-skid, sliding, gliding, etc. We also have wheel trees for those larger format wheels. Finally, Nystrom is our hooks and bath accessories with over 180 products available for retail in the US, 21 different collections and personalized planograms. And then Sedan is our wood veneer and edge banding brand. We have over 150 products available in the US, and we do have Green Guard certified products there as well. You can visit our website to see our complete portfolio of products. The Richelieu.com site actually has every product, but we also have individual websites for each brand, including Sedan.com, MatcoInc.com, Nystrom.com, OnwardHardware.com, and ReliableFasteners.com. We really put a lot of information on our website. It's one of the best documented websites in the industry. It's got a mobile version, and it really just makes it a one-stop shop for you.
All right, everybody. As you can tell, that was sped up to keep us on track, so I hope you could keep up with it, but that was kind of the 2 cents there from Richelieu. Up next, we have Ben Comer from Simple Strap over in Hawaii. I think, Ben, are you hopping on here?
Yeah, I let him in.
Perfect. All right, Ben, I think you're muted, brother. If you want to just unmute yourself, you got the floor.
Unmute. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we are good.
Awesome. Okay, let me see if I can flip this around. And I got my, there we go. There we go. All right. Are we ready? I got my cameraman here.
Floor is yours.
All right. Aloha, everybody. I'm Ben Comer, and I'll give you guys a little information about simple PE. Thermal. Keep going.
Yep.
Yep. So this is made out of TPE. Plastic elastomer, and easiest way to pretty much secure anything. This is my demo rig. Everything on this rig is been strapped down with simple strap. We have two thicknesses: our regular duty 2 millimeter, have our 3 millimeter, red, black, and yellow. This is how it works. If you're securing lumber, rebar, pipe, this is my demonstration. I got two PVC pipes strapped to a 2x strap. What you want to do is make sure that the first strap goes, the second wrap goes over. Knots, ratchets, adhesives. You take the tail, you chuck it underneath your last wrap. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a half hitch there, and you're done. This thing is secure, not going anywhere. When you're done, all you do is you pull your tail, comes undone, doesn't leave any residue, doesn't scrape, doesn't mar, doesn't peel paint, right? Completely reusable, recyclable, works wet, works underwater, down to -60 up to 170 degrees. It works. It comes in a 20-foot length. Our rolls are 20 feet long. Here's an example. And you cut to length using scissors or a knife. And you get hundreds and hundreds of uses out of it over and over again. We did some testing. We sent it out to the ATS lab in Atlanta. And people are asking us, well, how much does it hold? One wrap, we don't suggest. We suggest at least 2 wraps. So that right there is just 1 wrap. You need to go around a second time. Okay, once you have 2 wraps with the 2 millimeter, that's 160 pounds. We go around one more time, 3 wraps, you're up to 335 pounds. One more wrap, 4 wraps, 580 pounds. That's the max load for each wrap. We only had ATS lab test it with 4 wraps, but you can imagine if you went around more and more, it gets stronger. Now, that's just the 2 millimeter. The ratings for the 3 millimeter heavy duty is 2 wraps is 275 pounds, 3 wraps, 560 pounds, 4 wraps, you're at 725 pounds max load. It comes in, we have 2 displays that are gonna be on special for the pro group. This is we call this the PB1, right? Also known as Papa Bear. It comes with everything you see here. It holds 72 straps, 12 of each color and size in the 2 millimeter. So we got black, red, and yellow in the 2 millimeter. And then black, red, yellow in the 3 millimeter. And then it also comes with the display and the monitor. It comes all in one great package. And same thing with, this is our MV1. Same thing, it just holds, it comes with the display, the straps, and the monitor. Now this monitor is really cool. It's motion activated, right? So there's no need to turn it on and off at night. So with 3 minutes without any motion in front of it, it shuts off, right? This is high definition, motion activated monitors.
Awesome. Thank you, Ben. Sorry to cut you off if I did, but we got to move on along. Appreciate you taking the time. Look forward to having you next week or 2 weeks from now.
All right, cool, you guys. Thanks so much. Aloha. Have a great day.
Take care. Thanks.
Thanks, Ben.
Bye.
All right, up next we have Matt Darrington with Fastway Trailer Products.
How about now?
There we are. Hey there, Matt.
How are you, Alex?
Doing well. The floor is yours, sir. You got a couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes. Well, my name is Matt Darrington with Progress Manufacturing. We manufacture Fastway Trailer Products and Equalizer Trailer Products. We manufacture in Provo, Utah. We've been doing that for 75 years now. We've been Trailer Life Magazine's 7-time winner, the customer satisfaction winner. Nobody else has ever won that award, and we take a lot of pride in that. Our position is #1 engineered trailering towing products. I know that, who am I talking to, Alex?
You've got an audience of about 40 plus distributor representatives. So
man, I didn't put the right kind of shirt on. I should have had a tuxedo and such. But many of the products that we manufacture, I'm sure they're already on your shelves. But for those of you that don't carry those, it is a revenue stream that we protect very, very hard. You know, one of the most important things that we hear when we talk to consumers is that they want a product that works. They want it to function the way that they want it to function. It's got to be safe, and they want it to be quality, and that's the way that we do that. I know that we don't have very much time now, so I would give you some homework. I wonder if I can share that. Yeah, so here's the 2 websites that we host right now. Progress Manufacturing is the mothership. That's the manufacturing end. We make the Equalizer brand tow hitch. That's you know, #1 in the industry. And then Fastway Trailer Products that you know, have ball mounts and flip jacks and one-step wheel chocks, different locks, everything to make towing faster and easier. If I could ask you, because you're going to have a little easier time than I would to do all our due diligence before the big meeting, spend some time on those websites. Are we recording that? Are they going to have access to that, or how do I get that information?
Yep, that website information will be provided to every attendee.
Okay. Yeah, it's equalizerhitch.com and fastwaytrailerproducts.com. And that will show you what we manufacture and how we do it. When you visit those websites, you're going to see Buy It Now. And that really gets people in a dither when they see a manufacturer competing with them. I want to have you rest at ease that that's not what we intend to do when we put our products for sale on the website. What that allows us to do is have more control on resellers on Amazon and different places like that, so we don't water down the pricing and ruin that points margin that we build into our pricing. We really do respect the work that you do on Main Street America, and want to make sure that everything we do is supporting that. So if you're looking for a towing expert, I'll raise my hand and be that for you. Inch wide and a mile deep is what I get to go, because I don't have to pay attention to snow shovels and chainsaws and all the other things that you've got to make your focus on. So if you've got any question, give us a call. The thing that we do pride ourselves in is we view ourselves as a customer service company that happens to manufacture products. When your customers have any issues at all, or if you have issues with our products or questions with our products, you call and you'll get a live person, either myself or Rich or Josh or a number of the people that we have working there. And years and years and years of experience. We're all enthusiasts in the towing industry. We just flat get things done. That's the way we do it.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt. Sorry to cut you off here, but we got to move right along. Appreciate you for jumping on. I know it was a short window there, but thank you very much.
See you in a few days.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.